Hello and welcome back to Faceless Security, where we explore the world of technology and cybersecurity. In this video, we'll be discussing about security control frameworks. A security control framework is a set of guidelines, standards, and best practices that organizations can use to implement and manage their information security programs. Examples and brief explanations of security control frameworks include COBIT. COBIT, Control Objectives for Information and Related Technology, created by the Information Systems Audit and Control Association, ISACA, is a framework for IT governance and management. It provides a set of best practices for aligning IT with business objectives and managing IT risks. The framework includes a set of controls that cover 5 domains: governance and management, information architecture, acquisition and implementation, delivery and support, and monitoring and evaluation. ISO/IEC 27001. ISO/IEC 27001 is an international standard for information security management. It provides a framework for managing and protecting sensitive information using a risk-based approach. The standard includes a set of controls that organizations can implement to mitigate risks and requires regular assessments and audits to ensure ongoing compliance. It covers the implementation and management of an information security management system, ISMS, which includes policies, procedures, and controls to protect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. NIST Cybersecurity Framework, CSF. NIST Cybersecurity Framework, CSF, developed by the National Institute of Standards and Technology. This framework provides a comprehensive approach to managing and reducing cybersecurity risk. It consists of 5 core functions: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. Each function is broken down into categories and subcategories, which provide detailed guidance on how to implement security controls. CS controls. The Center for Internet Security, CIS, controls, developed by the Center for Internet Security, is a framework of best practices for securing information systems. The framework includes 20 critical security controls that organizations can implement to protect against common cyber threats. The controls are grouped into 3 categories: basic, foundational, and organizational, with each category building upon the previous one. PCI-DSS. The Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, PCI-DSS, developed by the Payment Card Industry Security Standards Council, is a set of security requirements for organizations that handle credit card information. The standard includes 12 requirements that cover areas such as network security, access control, and security testing. Compliance with the standard is mandatory for organizations that process credit card transactions. HIPAA. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA, is a U.S. federal law enacted in 1996 that provides privacy and security protections for individuals' medical information. HIPAA has 2 main components: the Privacy Rule and the Security Rule. The Privacy Rule sets standards for protecting the privacy of individually identifiable health information, including patient medical records and personal health information. The Security Rule, on the other hand, outlines the security standards that must be met to safeguard electronic protected health information, EPHI. Compliance with the standard is mandatory for organizations that process medical information. In summary, security control frameworks provide organizations with a structured approach to managing and reducing cybersecurity risks. Each framework has its own unique set of guidelines, standards, and best practices, and organizations should choose the one that best fits their specific needs and requirements. In the following video, we will delve deeper into the frameworks. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content from Faceless Security.